Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a debit card to Venmo. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the Venmo app, and then here at the bottom panel you'll actually see the cards option. I want you to click on cards, and then here I want you to just go ahead and scroll down until you see banks and cards. And if you swipe to the left, you'll see this icon, plus icon. It says add a bank or card. I want you to just go ahead and tap on this icon, and then here go ahead and choose card, and you just need to go ahead and enter your card number, your expiration date, your CVV code or security code, and then your zip code. Okay, and then you just come here and you tap on card. That's all you have to do, and depending on your card you might be asked to go ahead and do your one-time security code. And really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.